Hi mga higala! Hi friends! We are going to tackle emotions. It will be a 3-part series about the basic emotions. In this lesson, I will share the root word, suffixes, and how to use them in a sentence. More words will be introduced in these 3-part series lessons. I'm going to talk about happy and sad for our first series. So let's start with happy. Happy, the root word is lipay. Okay, so these are the suffixes words. Nalipay, which means being happy. And this is in past and present form. Malipay will be happy in future tense. Okay. Malipayon is joyous, and this could mean, depending how you use the word, it could mean in past, present, or in future form. Okay, kalipay, the same with malipayon, it could be past, present, or in future form. So kalipay is happiness. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some sample sentences on these suffixes, on these happy words. Okay, lipay ko, which means happy me, or I am happy. Lipay ko. Another example, nalipay ko sa imong gibuhat. Nalipay ko sa imong gibuhat. I was happy of what you did, or I am happy of your actions. Okay. Vocabulary, we have ko, which is me or I. Sa is of. Imong is your. Gibuhat, things that you do or did. Okay. Malipay ko makakita nimo. Malipay ko makakita nimo. So I am happy whenever I see you. So the vocabulary here is ko, which means me or I, and then makakita is to see. Okay, from the root word kita, see. Okay, makakita is to see. Nimo, nimo is you. Okay, malipay is will be happy. Alright, next sample sentence, we have malipayon. Okay, malipayon ko sa nahitabo. So this is actually I am very happy of what happened. In this sentence, malipayon is expressed as the person's feeling happy at the moment about the past events. Nahitabo is events. Okay. Okay, next example, we have kalipay. Okay, kalipay nako ang mobisita nimo. Kalipay nako ang mobisita nimo. So it's my happiness to visit you. Kalipay, it's your something that makes you happy. Okay? Kalipay nako, nako means me or I. Ang is a subject marker. Mobisita, mobisita is to visit. Okay, that is in future tense. And then nimo, it means you. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat these words and see for yourself if you can understand it. Okay, lipay ko, nalipay ko sa imong gibuhat. Nalipay ko sa imong gibuhat. Malipay ko makakita nimo. Malipay ko makakita nimo. Malipayon ko sa nahitabo. Malipayon ko sa nahitabo. Kalipay nako ang mobisita nimo. Kalipay nako ang mobisita nimo. I hope you get or you understand those sample sentences. Now let's go to sad emotion. So the root word for sad is guol. Guol. Okay, so these are the suffixes. Okay, guula. Guula, very sad. Okay, naguol, meaning feeling sad. It could be past and present tense. Maguol. Okay, maguol, will be sad. Nagul-an, something to be sad about. Magul-anon, very sad. Kaguol, to feel sad. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to proceed with the sample sentences. Alright, sample number 1. Guulan ako uy. Guulan ako uy. I'm very sad. So, nako again is me or I. Guula, it's sadness. Okay, sad. Very sad. Okay, the uy there is an expression to give emphasis to the person's feelings. Okay, to the depth of the person's feelings. Like if you're really sad, you just put uy at the end to really express your emotions. Okay, just put the uy. Again, guulan ako uy. I'm very sad. Now let's proceed to sample sentence number 2. Naguul ko sa imong balita. Naguul ko sa imong balita. I feel sad of your news. I'm not so sure if this is the right translation. Naguul ko sa imong balita. I'm deeply saddened of your news. Of the news. Okay, can you guys help me how to translate this to English? But the thought is, I feel sad of your news. Okay, if I'm going to break down the words. But in English, I'm lost of words and how to say this. Yeah, I need your help, guys. Let me know in the comments and what is the exact word, the exact sentence in English. Okay, I'm just gonna break that down. So naguol is feeling sad, okay, past or present tense. And then we have the ko is me or I, sa there is of, imong is your, balita is news. Alright? Okay, now let's proceed to sentence number 3. Maguol ko kung magbulag ta. Maguol ko kung magbulag ta. I will be very sad if we break up. Okay, maguol ko kung magbulag ta. I will be very sad if we break up. So maguol means this is in future tense. Okay, will be sad. That means will be sad. Ko is me or I again. Kung is if. Okay, if. Magbulag is to separate ways. Okay, to separate. From the root word bulag. Okay, magbulag is to separate. Ta is a shortcut of kita, which means us. Alright, now let's proceed to sentence number 4. Tanawa ragud ni si Judy. Magul-anon kaayo og hitsura. Look at Judy. She has a very sad face. Okay, now let us break that down. Tanawa is look. Okay, from the root word tanaw. Tanaw means look. Tanawa means to look. Okay, to look at the person, tanawa, or to look at something, or to check something, tanawa. Okay, ra is just. Okay, good is an expression. Ni is a shortcut of kini, which means this. Si is a subject marker immediately followed by a person's name. So instead of ang, which is a subject marker, but if you are referring to a person, you put si instead of ang. Okay, si Judy. Kaayo, which means really. Og is a connecting word. Hitsura, it means face. Okay, second to the last sample sentence. Unsa may nagul-an nimo. Unsa may nagul-an nimo. So, unsa may nagul-an nimo? What is making you sad? Okay, unsa means what. Okay, may there is like is. Unsa may is like what is. Nagul-an is something that makes you sad. Okay, nagul-an. Last sentence. Kaguol ba? Usually this one is more on an expression. It's like kaguol ba? Say, kaguol ba? What a really sad thing. Okay, what a really sad thing. Kaguol ba? Okay, ba there is also an expression. Kaguol is sadness or to feel sad. Okay, kaguol. So, this is the first part of our series about basic emotions. I'm just going to repeat this one more time. Check it for yourself if you can understand these sample sentences. Okay, let's review again. Okay, guulan ako uy. Guulan ako uy. Guul ko sa imong balita. Naguul ko sa imong balita. Maguul ko kung magbulag ta. Maguul ko kung magbulag ta. Tanawa ragod ni si Judy. Magulanon kaayo og hitsura. Tanawa ragod ni si Judy. Magulanon kaayo og hitsura. Unsa may nagul-an nimo? Unsa may nagul-an nimo? Kaguol ba? Kaguol ba? Kaguol ba? Alright, those are the sample sentences for sad emotion. Okay, so next Wednesday will be anger emotion, so watch out for that. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions, guys. And again, as always, I want to thank you for spending some time with me today. And yeah, if you like this lesson, give me a thumbs up. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much, and bye-bye for now.